Hey guys, Shaza here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm going to be unboxing the projection keyboard. And at the back we can see some information about this product, and this product is compatible with Android, iOS and Windows. So yeah, let's unbox it. And at first you will find some paperwork. Here is the projection keyboard itself, and under that you will find a USB cable to charge your keyboard. And this is the projection keyboard, and on the right side you will find a charging port and the power button, and on the back side it has two speakers, and nothing on the left and nothing on the top and the bottom. Now let's remove this plastic cover. And here are some sensors to detect your motions of your fingers when you're using it. Hold down the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. And now we can see the keyboard. To use it, we need to connect it to the Bluetooth. It's very simple and easy to connect. Just turn on Bluetooth in your device and connect it to the laser keyboard, and once it's connected you're ready to go. And as you can see, the keyboard is working perfect. So responsive to the touch. And here's my Google Pixel to test the keyboard in Android. And everything is working, and also it works like a Bluetooth speaker. And now I'm gonna charge these phones, and let's see which phone charges first. Now let's connect the chargers. Here are two speakers which plays music. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up down below and don't forget to subscribe.